What's up guys, and welcome to your tech support. Tech support made easy. This is our video about troubleshooting Bluetooth issues on your iPhone. We've all been there, right? You're trying to connect an iPhone to your car's Bluetooth or maybe a pair of headphones, and suddenly you're faced with that dreaded connection failed error. Don't worry, we're here to help. This video will go over some simple tips that you can take to troubleshoot any Bluetooth device not connected to your iPhone and get them talking once more. So grab your iPhone, a pair of headphones, and let's get started. So one of our first steps is to make sure the Bluetooth on your iPhone is turned on. And you're going to do this by going into your settings to Bluetooth and then toggle that switch into the on position. Alternatively, you can also just swipe down into your control center and press the Bluetooth icon located there, or even hard press the Bluetooth icon to bring you into the Bluetooth settings, and you can turn it on from there as well. The next thing we're going to want to do is check the distance between your iPhone and the device you're trying to connect to. Bluetooth has a range of about 30 feet, so if you're too far away, the connection might be lost. Our next step is a simple one. We're going to restart your device. Sometimes when you're trying to connect, a restart on your iPhone can resolve any kind of connection issue. Now, depending on which iPhone you have, the steps to restarting it may be a little different. But if you have one of the newer iPhones, the easiest way to do this is by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold that side button. When you see the Apple logo appear, you can release and then just slide to power the phone off. Wait a couple of seconds. Count to 10, turn it back on, and try your connection once more. Another thing we're going to want to do is check for any system updates to your operating system. Now, the operating system update might not necessarily address Bluetooth issues, but updating your operating system can fix any rogue or corrupted files you may have in your iPhone that's preventing the connections from going through. So you want to head into your settings and then hit General and then select Software Updates. This will show your current installed software version and any updates that may be available. Go ahead and update your iPhone and try the connection once more to see if you're able to connect. The next thing we want to take a look at is if the device was already paired once before or is appearing on your Bluetooth pairing list. We're going to try forgetting that device and repairing it to see if this helps. Now, to do this, it's really simple. You're going to go into your setting, you're going to tap on Bluetooth, and once you're on the list, locate the device you're trying to repair to, tap that small little eye icon next to the device, and tap Forget this device. Exit completely out of the Bluetooth menu, enter in once more, and I would also suggest just turning off the Bluetooth and turning it back on, and then try pairing the device once more to see if this helps. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts and comments and any tech questions you have in the comment section down below. We're here to help and happy to do so. Now, if you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps and you're still experiencing Bluetooth connection issues with your iPhone, here are a couple of advanced tips you can try. One of the first tips is let's try resetting your network settings. Now, if you're using an iOS or iPadOS that's 15 or later, you're going to want to tap Settings, General, Transfer and Reset, and then tap Reset, and in there you should have the option to reset your network settings. If you're using iOS or iPadOS 14 or earlier, then you're simply tapping Settings, General, Reset, and Reset Network Settings. Now, keep in mind that this is going to erase all your Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so you'll have to re-enter them after the reset, but it can also help you get connected to the device you're trying to connect to. You also want to check for any interference. Bluetooth can be interrupted or disrupted by electronic devices or materials that block signal, such as metal objects or walls. Try moving your iPhone and the device to a different location and try connecting. Make sure you're close enough to the device you're trying to connect to, but also relocating to a different room or a different setting can sometimes help. Another thing you want to do is go into your setting and Bluetooth connections and see if you have multiple devices connected to Bluetooth. Sometimes having more than a couple devices connected to your Bluetooth can cause connection issues. So try disconnecting some of the devices that already are connected to your iPhone and connecting the device you're trying to connect to see if that helps. Now, another step we're going to try to take is resetting your location and privacy settings. Now, to do this, if you're on iOS or iPadOS 15 or later, you're going to tap Setting, General, Transfer or Reset, and then reset your location and privacy settings. If you're using iOS or iPadOS 14 or earlier, then you're going to tap Setting, General, Reset, and then reset the location and privacy settings from there. Now, keep in mind that this will erase all your location and privacy settings, so you'll have to re-enter them again after the reset. Another tip is to check the applications you have in your phone are all up to date. Ironically, an out-of-date application can cause some interference and also cause connection issues. Having all your applications updated can resolve some connection issues you're having. So you want to go into the App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And if there's any updates, just tap Update All to get them installed. Now again, this is one of those scenarios where it'll fix any rogue or corrupt files that may be preventing your phone from connecting to the device you want to connect to. It's a weird fix, but sometimes it definitely works. Now, as a last-ditch effort, you can try doing a factory reset of the settings on your iPhone to see if this resolves any kind of connection issues you may be having. Now keep in mind that this will erase everything in the iPhone, so make sure to back up any important data before attempting this step. Now, to do the reset, you just have to go to your Setting, General, Transfer or Reset, and reset all content and settings. Again, this is a factory reset. Set up the iPhone as you would before, import any data that might be missing, and connect your Bluetooth device and see if the connection goes through. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may have to contact Apple support or the manufacturer of the device you're trying to connect to see if they can offer any further assistance. Remember, if all else fails, you can simply just give your iPhone a little pat on the back, tell it it's doing a great job, and I'm sure it'll start working again in no time. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts and comments and any tech questions you have in the comment section down below. We're here to help and happy to do so. Guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.